Well, here we go. The video everyone's been waiting for, the Unimog, painted. Everyone wants to know what she's going to look like when she's painted, what kind of paint she's being done in. So it's like a 3-part hardtop flexi off-road kind of paint. It's designed to be quite tough on the outside, and then it basically flexes with the panels. So without wasting too much of your time, and by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. We are desperately trying to get to 500 and then 1,000 subscribers. But without wasting too much of your time, this is what she looks like, painted. Bear in mind that it's a loose fit. The panels are not on 100%. We've just kind of put them on roughly at the moment. The hinges are not on the bonnet and everything. But as you can see, it's got a relatively rough texture. Sorry for the lighting, it's not very good in here. So still got to paint things like the bonnet and all that, but you get a rough idea of what she's going to look like when she's done and what the color scheme is. It's basically, like I say, as you can see, this paint, it's got like almost a rubber texture to it. So that's the kind of finish that it has. But overall, she came out pretty good. Very happy with it. The bumper still has to get a piece of sheet metal across the top here. And then, yeah, the customer came, we did a test fit for his steering wheel, so we've got that fitted now where he wants it. And as you can see, it's got an air brake lever. The gear levers have been fitted in with the tunnel. We've had to make some custom pedals to give more space to allow for the left-hand drive. We had to extend the tunnel. As you can check, the tunnel has been made wider so that it can accommodate the diesel motor and the gearbox that's underneath here. And obviously, as you'll notice, it doesn't have a Ford dashboard in. We cut the Ford dashboard out and put in the Unimog dashboard, and it's a left-hand drive dashboard. Looks like we're going to be going with a bench seat for the meantime, with the option to upgrade to 2 single seats if the customer decides to. But there we go. That's her painted. Monday on, we'll start with the wiring and everything. We'll start assembling, putting the glass in. The interior guys are on top of it. I hope so. Ernest, if you're listening. And then the rest of it, like I say, we're still going to just now put the bonnet springs in, line the panels up, get everything where it should be, make sure everything's lined up. The load bed will be getting painted on Monday because we've had to cut holes because she's getting 2 vertical stacks coming up. So we've got to make sure we've cut holes for the stacks to come through the load bed and get attached here. So you'll get to see that next week as well when we take her through to Anton's place and he puts the stacks in, and then she's getting a fuel tank underneath the bottom here and a solid bumper across the back as well. But that's it, the Unimog. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see more videos like these, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Next time you see her, hopefully she'll be electrified.